Hello, in all earlier videos I described regarding elements, forms and other properties of HTML. Generally, HTML is a markup language to design the documents in web page. It deals with different kinds of tags, miscellaneous functions, attributes, etc. For starters, a humble request to you watch the full video and subscribe my channel to get all notification of next uploads. The motive of HTML is the designing concept of documents in a website. It performs with the document's style and placement of information and make more furnished the website. Such things like tags, elements, attributes, and values are used to get the operation from HTML. Attributes defines the additional behavior or characteristics of an element in tag. For example, width and height of an image, color or font size of a text, etc. Attributes are always specified in the start tag and usually consist of name, a value, etc. Attribute values should always be enclosed in quotation mark. Please look at here. If we look at the example, this is a heading tag including element hello world. This is a heading tag including the elements hello world. The consequence of this heading tag in page, we can see it hello world in red word. The red color of this text is the effect of the style attribute, this style attribute, and the value color red. Here we can change the value of color replace of red. Suppose we want green. Now you can see the color of the text is green. Okay, the color is green now. We can keep simultaneously the heading tag in normal, that means without any attribute and value. Now I'm erasing the attribute and value from here. Only heading tag here. Now save the file and reload the browser. Now see the elements of color is by default black. Viewers, like this attribute has a lot of importance in HTML. Okay viewers, let's have some practical knowledge. This is the official website of World Health Organization. You are watching here the text color is black, white and red also. Here all this has been done by HTML attributes. You may make it by CSS also, but initially we should learn it by HTML. Some images relevant health cautions are showing here. This image also may attached here by HTML attribute. Okay, let's carry it in HTML attribute. Now we will attach this image in web page. This image. Note a thing, you must have to put this image. You must have to put this image in that folder where you have already put the index file. And have to remember the image name and the image format. Suppose here the image name is test and the format is JPG. In this regard, we have to write an tag in angle bracket, name is img. Then I have to put an attribute name src. And I have to write the image name and format here. The image name is test and the format is JPG. Okay, now save the file here and go to browser again. Reload the browser here. Okay viewers, the image is attached on the page, but as we have not mentioned any size of the image, that's why it has been occupied the whole page here. The wanted size of the image you may enclose in the image tag. At this stage you have to put height and width attribute in the image tag. I am giving the value here 1500 height and width attribute. The value is 1700. Okay, now save the file and reload the browser again here. Now you can see the fixed size of image is appearing on web page. Viewers, such wise you can fix the image on web page with your required image size. You should know there are more attributes in HTML. This is an all-covered programming website. Its name is W3 School. You can engage yourself to know more widely about program as well as attribute. Okay viewers, goodbye for today. If this upload could draw your slightest attention, so please subscribe my channel and like it. Thanks.